Okay, shut down your laptop. Gently lift up the bottom cover. Okay, so disconnect this battery connector by just lifting it up, and there's a few screws on both sides. So done with that, lift it up. Okay, so we want to upgrade the RAM, but I don't have 216, so I'm going to be putting one 16 gig stick and one 8 gigs, so 24 gigs. This can be upgraded up to 34. Okay, let's see how it goes. So now we have about 24 gigs of memory. Okay, the next things we want to do is we want to upgrade the SSD. So that's to 256 gig, and we want to add 512 gig SSD. Now you have to remember that if you use the NVMe, you're going to make it a lot more faster, then it's going to be good for heat management as well. And the way you know is if it's got 1 notch or 2 notch, so make sure you use NVMe SSD, because if you're going to spend money, you might as well spend a little bit more to get the better versions of SSD. Use B-stick for Windows, boot it up and press F12.